Yeah, this is just a little water spot. This is not the trail to hike on, though. Just a nice, pretty little scenic spot here.
Can you fish here?
You might be able to.
I want to go down that waterfall and swim down it.
When it's warmer, maybe?
Yeah, we will do that while you we gotta have helmets on. This backpack is heavy. Not a lot of snacks in it. Watch your step and take your feet off the water. It's yucky and muddy.
The temperature today is almost 70 degrees.
Yep. That's right. That is right.
Check out this tree.
I'm doing it. Negative, maybe in the summer.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too fun if you fall in that.
I would do that in the summer.
I would too.
It's like a jungle through here.
It is a jungle. My best jungle ever. I made this jungle for ages. Made me to build this jungle for ages. For a long time until it got dark. That's how long it took me. It took me a long time to build me this long jungle hike.
It did.
Yeah, I need to plant and all this stuff. It was hard work to build this jungle.
We've given this boy the name, or his hiking name, is Jabberwolf.
No. I went through that mud.
Because he jabbers the whole time.
I do not jabbering.
So if you take this one on a hike, you will not get a peaceful hike. So far, it's cooler than I thought it would be.
It is pretty cool in this valley.
I'm sure we'll warm up though once we get going. Pretty hike so far, very scenic. Even if you're on kind of a boring trail, it's better than sitting at home. Water crossing.
Keep to the left. Right there. Right there. There you go. You got it.
This is my first time.
Got it.
I can't believe how green it is for it being winter.
Hey, I can't believe that.
That was a nice surprise.
I can't believe I water crossed it. Can't believe it.
Okay, here's the fork. Read on the map about the fork on the all trails because it says something about you want to take one or the other. So we took out the all trails. One of the reviews said it would probably be easier to take the upper and then come back on the lower. So that's what we're going to do.
Looks like they had some trees come down right here.
This trail reminds me of the forest in Twilight.
The drive here.
Oh yeah, the drive here too. Don't hate on Twilight. We're going through the jungle.
It's a jungle though.
It is, look.
How's this a jungle?
Look at that. That's why.
This is going to be interesting.
Watch out. There you go. You're good. It's right there, big step. No.
You might want to go in front of him and show him where to go. Step right there.
You're good. Just keep walking. Just keep stepping. Just keep stepping. Watch out for that hole.
Would you hold my hand because I slip?
Yeah, when we go over stuff like that, it sure will.
It's a steep hill, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I bet we'll be able to see a lot of stuff up here. Uh-oh. We got it.
Tree crossing.
Nice.
Give my hand, Bunny. Give my hand.
Oh, look at Bunny. She's the smart one.
I have both of you, right?
She goes around.
Hear it. Yeah. Getting closer. It is a falls.
As soon as we start going down, we're going to be by the falls.
There was also a review saying these trails weren't very well maintained, but I have to disagree. There's a few fallen things, but...
It's a wide trail. Easy to maneuver. Kid friendly, I would say.
Oh, very kid friendly so far.
I always wanted to do this. My wish came true. Didn't it, Bonnie?
It did.
My wish came true. Well,
The story about how I got my name Bunny from him, he's my grandson.
that's remembered.
And I went by Glammy. And then he had an argument with me when he was probably about 1.5 years old that my name was Bunny. And I thought he just couldn't say Glammy, so he was calling me Bunny. But he argued with me and told me it was like the bunny that hops, and that was my name. So then it stuck, and I've been Bunny ever since.
I wanted to be Grandpa, but I turned out to be Pawpaw.
Yeah, he's Paw Paw.
Hey, whenever I need help, would you help me?
I sure will.
We are just about...
And you're going to help me whenever I need help? Thank you.
Whenever Paula needs help, you and I will help him, right?
That's right.
We're savers, right?
That's right. We're savers.
Papa, me, you. We save the whole town. We save everybody. Join me, and you save people like I do and do good, you'll get one of these.
There's always such a big difference in all the different forest preserves that we've been in. You can really tell a difference between the areas that you're at. By far, this has been where the most pine trees have been. I've said this before, and I'm going to say it again probably numerous times, but my favorite trails are ones with all these pine trees and the pine needles.
We halfway there yet?
Oh, let me check all trails. Ooh, very close. Probably less than 1/8 of a mile.
No. We decided to buy All Trails Pro this morning because we found that we really love hiking. I think it's really useful. We're able to download this map offline, whereas we weren't before. So we were kind of wondering if the Pro would be worth it. We thought we'd try it for a year and see. And if not, we can always not renew next year. But so far, I've liked it.
We gotta go straight, and then we're gonna have a little right turn. As soon as we get around that turn, we're gonna run into the water again, and then we're gonna follow the water most of the way back.
Look, Landon, it's the first holly bush we've seen with berries on it.
Don't eat those berries. Those are poisonous. If you eat these, then that'll make you very, very sick.
Good
You
advice.
have to go to a hospital.
Thank you. That is good advice. He is very knowledgeable about berries.
I am very nice.
Look at Pawpaw down there.
Wait. We're taking shortcuts. Can we take a shortcut?
We're not taking a shortcut. We're just going to go up here and look. Keep on going.
But luckily we don't get taken over the falls.
We haven't got to the falls yet.
Oh, we got that falls.
That is pretty. Come over here. Look at this. Stand right here. So we came down from that way.
Coming off the direction from the marker on this tree right here.
So we're gonna go back this way. This path so far is a single path instead of the wide path that we were on. Watch your feet because there's a bunch of limbs and rocks. The upper one was really super easy to navigate. It was wide, easy to follow, but this one is just a little bit more overgrown.
I only have 2 feet. I need 4 feet to go on this hike.
You need 4 feet for this hike.
Yeah.
This is probably why this trail is moderate. It is a little iffy through here.
Both sides.
This side is definitely different.
It's for mountain goats.
Yeah. So we're just gonna take our time through here since it's a little narrower. I hear Kelly back there acting like a mountain goat. I don't know if you can hear it on camera. It's cracking me up though. How you doing? You can do it. Steps right here.
So after acting like a billy goat for a little bit on the side of a cliff, we're finally on ground, flat ground.
And it's pretty through here.
There's different kind of monsters. There's that kind, and that kind, and that kind. And now we're out of what?
Out of the jungle, baby.
Then the elusive jabberwolf in its natural habitat.
That jungle. Look at that jungle in there. What's Papa doing? Where did he go?
I don't know where he went.
Get him!
Ooh, those are slick. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So far, we've walked 3.56 miles. Watch out for this step, it's gone.
Huh?
Watch out for this step, it's gone. Come on over on this side. So when you get to the first fork, if you go up the hill instead of going straight, it'll take you directly to the first falls. But if you want to bypass that, then you could always come this way first and then just go back this way too. And we're mountain goating it again. Trail's not quite as narrow though as it was. As soon as we get to a good stopping place, it'll be time to hydrate. Coming back up from the falls was no joke. So now I can really see why this was marked as moderate. Cigarette, not good. Yeah.
That's not good.
No, it's not good. I think we're gonna have to start bringing trash bags on our hikes, because on this one we've seen a lot of trash on the sides, water bottles, wrappers, things like that. Makes me sad. Pick up your trash. Or not even pick up your trash. Don't even throw your trash down. How you doing? Good. This one looks pretty fresh. Look at that.
Yeah.
Can he eat
Tree came down right on there.
Yeah. Looks like a little bit of a mango, but it's yellow.
A lot of trees down through here.
It's a mango tree and it looks like yellow.
It does look like a mango tree, but it's not. Little water crossing. You need help? You want Papa to go first?
No.
Step on that one.
Whoa. Whoa. I did good on that. I need a little more
Gotta
practice.
keep your momentum.
And here's the fork. So the trail's gonna be easier again. Whoa!
We made it with a little one. Come here and give me a high five. I mean, we're not back yet, but we did the whole trail.
Yeah! You made it! High five! Woo! Oh, that was a bad one. There you go. Good job. How's my hair? We're at the end of the trail. Just packing up to go back. And we did about... Here, I'm going to check my Fitbit here. I don't know if you can see it. Well, the Fitbit says 4.89 miles. I think before we started this trail, I had walked maybe half a mile. So I would say this was about 4.5 miles from the other falls and back. And we're gonna head on home now. I think we're all tired.
Cigarette.
We'll put this in our bag and we'll throw it away somewhere.